Welcome in DK Education.
Hello students, good morning to all of you. We are in class 10th in the period of physics. In previous class, we had already read about the series combination, but today in this class, the next topic we have the parallel combination. We know about this combination today in this class. To prove 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. This is the parallel combination. In this combination, with this we know that Ohm's law from Ohm's law V is equal to IR. From this formula, from this rule, we get three types of conversion. The first one is I is equal to V by R, and the R is equal to V by I. Three types of conversion we get from the Ohm's law. After that, let we have connect the resistance, three resistance in this type of order. This type of order. Here we connect a battery, plus and minus. We have a key, on-off switch. Current through this resistor. Here, now current distribute like this sign, current distributed here. Let this is the R1, R2 and R3. We have three resistance R1, R2 and R3. After that, the potential difference is same. Potential difference, here we write potential difference same in each resistor, each resistance, but current is different. अब इसमें हम देख रहे हैं DC here, potential difference is same in R1 and R2 and R3, but I distributed. I divides in I1, I2 and so on I3. We know that in this resistor R1 and I1, R1 for I1, R1 and I1, I are V1. If we take V1, then I is equal to I1 and R is equal to R1. Okay? V is equal to total volt. Total volt is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now, V is equal to IR. Here I is equal to V upon R. And we have total resistance. R is equal to R1, total resistance is equal to, here I is equal to V by R. We know that from Ohm's law. Now V and R, we check the value of V V and R when R is equal to R1, R2 is equal to I2 and R3 is equal to I3. R1 के साथ देख रहे हैं कि I1 आ रहा है, R2 के साथ I2 आ रहा है और R3 के साथ I3 आ रहा है. I is equal to V upon R we have. Now we take here V upon R1, V upon R2 and V upon R3. V upon R1, V upon R2 and V upon R3. Here we see V. V is same in all the potential difference is same in all the resistance. So we cannot divide the potential difference. Only we divide I. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 here. Here I1 plus I2 plus I3. Here I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. After that V I is equal to V upon R. From here we take here from 1, from equation number 1. I is equal to V by R, I1 is equal to V by R1 and I2 is equal to V by R2 and I3 is equal to V by R3 and so on. After that, if we write it as V into 1 by R, V by R is equal to write it as V into 1 by R. After that, this is the V into 1 by R1 plus V into 1 by R2 plus V into 1 by R3. Now V into 1 by R is equal to V as a common we use here, and after that the left quantities are 1 by R1, 1 by R2 and 1 by R3. After that cancellation of V and V, this से V कट गया. After that we have 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the parallel combination. We have, this is the proof of parallel combination. Dear students, here is the parallel combination of electricity chapter. In electricity chapter, we have already know about what is R, V and I. इस तीन क्वांटिटीज के बारे में हम लोग पिछले क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं. आफ्टर दैट, फ्रॉम V is equal to IR, we can take I is equal to V by R and R is equal to V by I. After that, we have three resistance R1, R2 and R3, and the current passes through the resistance in R1 through R1, I1 through R2, I2 and through R3 is I3. After that, in this combination potential difference is same in all the equipments connected in this circuit. In this circuit, all the equipments are connected from which the potential difference is not distributed, but only current is distributed in R1, R2 and R3 as I1, I2 and I3. After that, we have three resistors for this explanation, R1 and R2 and R3. Potential difference same in each resistance, but current is difference. Current is difference as I1, I2 and I3 through the resistance R1, R2 and R3. I is equal to V upon R from Ohm's law. When we take I from this figure, we take I here. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So next I is equal to V upon R. इस इक्वेशन से I is equal to V upon R हम निकाल लिए. V upon R is equal to V by R1, V by R2 and V by R3. We use the V as a common here and V cancelled. After that 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is left, and so 1 by r is equal to 1 by r is equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. This is the proof of our parallel combination. Now in next class we will see some numerical problems based on this rules, based on this theorem, and we solve it. Okay, after that in next class you have to remember this topic. अगले क्लास में आपको इस टॉपिक को याद करके आना है. अगर याद रहेगा तो अगले क्लास में जो इस पर मैं न्यूमेरिकल बताऊंगा वो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा, अदरवाइज आपको कठिनाई हो सकती है. सो इसको आपको याद कर लेना है. याद हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, और इसमें अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो यू कैन व्हाट्सएप मी और कॉन्टेक्ट मी 9430289526. दिस इज माई फोन नंबर and also a WhatsApp number. You can contact me, call me or WhatsApp me, comment me that you already this formula, this combination, this explanation understanding or not. अगर आप इसको समझ गए होंगे तो ठीक है, नहीं समझेंगे तो मुझको कमेंट कीजिएगा, पूछिएगा फोन करके, मैं आपको डील करके बताऊंगा. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. फिर हम लोग अगली क्लास में मिलते हैं. ओके.